This is the Church Down the Ways and the Cohen and Jones family Thanksgiving dinner.
We serve the community with literacy and food, health care and screenings and things for children.
Let the people of God say amen.
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 And amen again.
Amen. Don't break things too fast. I don't want you
Got
to pull nothing out. We don't have a lot. Everything's right place.
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
That's my daughter over there. Come on, daughter. Come get in the picture.
Everybody come together and a lot of unity and love here at this church.
Seeing the babies be happy running around and enjoying themselves.
So happy.
Yes.
I would. Typically in a neighborhood like this, which is primarily Black and brown families, we go to the church for everything. That's historical, for prayer, for comfort, and all of the above.
They feel very comfortable when they come here. You know, it's like they home because they feel at home when they come here.
What brought you here today?
For my health, to check my health. It takes a lot for my appointments to even get booked because they want to see you in a month. They want to see you in 2 months. And I mean, I want to get seen this month. I want to know what's going on.
There are a lot of people who don't have medical insurance, or there's a lot of people in certain communities that just don't go get checked out until it's too late.
I'm Carrie. I'm going to be doing your blood draw today.
Care Access, they do the health screenings for people in our community so we can find some things that are going on with us that the hospital and our regular doctor can't find.
Care Access is what's called a decentralized research and health education organization. We have 6 core tests that everyone gets. There's heart health, kidney health, and diabetes. Those are like the categories.
Because some people, this is their meal right here, and they don't have the health insurance, and this will also give them the opportunity to find out what's going on in life so they can get the help that they need.
I just wanted to grab a clip real quick.
Yeah,
I don't want to miss out.
Please do, get it. You gotta get it in.
There's not a lot of people that come into this community to help. A lot of people kind of shy away from this area, but it's great to have someone here to do a blood test, you know, to tell people you may have fatty liver disease, you may have diabetes, you may have this. Some people don't have access to these things.
You know, I'll set you up. I'll just take care of you personally.
I'm getting my test done.
Checked out, Pastor? Okay.
Yeah, I punked out all the other times, but I'm gonna do it this time.
I respect that you bolster your courage.
My husband took the test a few months ago, and they found blockages in his leg from the testing done here. He took it back to his doctor, and now they're going to do the surgery to unblock the blockages in his leg. But we wouldn't have got that test here. He would have never known that he had it.
To me, it was exciting because when they was mentioning that you can get all this done at once, we can figure out what was going on and certain things that I couldn't get at the hospital with my own doctor. I want all of this to be done.
Yeah, no, don't worry, you got it.
It's different from a doctor's visit. I'm an MA, so working in a doctor's office, you're there all day. I signed in, I talked to the young lady, I filled out my paperwork, and it was like a 15-minute process.
You should have the email, so just, yeah.
But I'd like to talk to somebody about the results too.
A lot of folks, it's just beyond not getting the help. There are things that are underlying. There's dignity involved.
You can definitely call that phone number
Okay.
and they should be able to walk you through things.
Oh, that sounds good.
Care Access embodies a spirit of education, embodies a spirit of meeting folks where they're at.
Asia, get over here and do the screening.
It was easy to talk to you guys. You really broke it down of what you're testing for. And they do test for a lot of things that your doctor usually don't, unless you force them to or argue with them to do. It was a quick process, and there's only 2 sticks of blood.
You know, they make you feel at ease because they're telling you about what's going on while you're getting your blood taken. Your mind ain't even knowing that you got a needle in your arm. You know, and they're sort of very personable and caring.
They was very nice to me back there. They were showing a lot of concerns about my health, and they see that I was very concerned about my own health. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome.
And thank you for the opportunity
We're
to
glad
get this
to be
done.
here. Absolutely.
Because it would have took months.
Yeah, healthcare is really hard right now.
I like what I see, and I like how I feel, and I like how people are being treated. And when you're coming in a very humane and empathetic way, that changes the game, that changes everything.
If we have any other screenings or, clinical trials that you're a good fit for, we'll be in contact. That's for you.
I still have some concerns about my health insurance.
So to me, I have PCOS and other things like that, which is not widely researched. So clinical trials, I like them because a lot of medications, they say, you know, it works for this, it works for that, but it doesn't really work. So I think it's good to research and really have the people involved in the research rather than just, you know, stuffing pills at them.
Even in the early stages of developing Alzheimer's, they're starting to build up what's called plaque on the brain. There's evidence of that in your blood through this protein that we look at called p-tau. So even if it's like very early stages.
I think it's a good process to get new research, different ways to find what's going on with us that, you know, we might not know. The House of God is vital for things like this. Because people, you see the people that came, it all works together. Yeah, your spiritual health, your natural health, physical health is all part of it. It's all like one, a wholeness thing. That's a part of our life too, health, spiritual, all of it's one.